Today we are going to discuss how to write the data on memory and read the data from memory in 8085 simulator. So here, to perform this operation we will use instruction, that is the LDA 16-bit memory address. This is the syntax of the instruction. So what is the meaning of LDA? Here I am writing LDA and any address, assume it if I am writing 8000H, this is the memory address. So meaning of this instruction is 8000H is the memory location. So data of the 8000H location will stored in the accumulator. So right now A will be stored with the 8000H data. For example, in a detailed elaboration, assume it your 8000H location contain the 02H. This is the data. So after the execution of LDA 8000H, A will contain 02H value. So this operation is called the memory read operation because you are reading the data from memory. So this is called the load accumulator direct. So by this you can read the data from the memory. Second instruction is for writing the data on memory, that is called the STA and any 16-bit memory location. So this is the first instruction and this is the second instruction. Okay, so basically how it will be used: STA any address, assume it 8001H. So the meaning of this instruction is accumulated data will be written on 8001H location. Assume it your accumulator contains 02H value. So this 02H value, after the execution of this instruction, this 02H value will be written on 02H value will be written on 8001H. So 8001H written 02H. So that is called the memory write operation. So here I am switching to the simulator. In this simulator, what I am doing, I am performing the same operation. I am loading the 8000H with some value and again retrieving the same value in accumulator. So to perform this operation, I am writing MVI A loaded with the 02H value. Then what I am doing, this same value I am writing on the memory location, that is a STA 8000H. So 8000H will be loaded with the 02H value. So here I am just showing how the accumulator write the data on 8000H. So what do we have to do? We have to just save this file. I am just saving this file, lab2 memory 2, and extension is ASM file. Then what I have to do, I have to execute it. Then you can see your 8000H. Here you can see this 8000H contain the 2 value, 02H value. So 8000H memory location written by the 2. Okay. Now next thing what I am doing, the same data I just want LDA 8000H. What I want, this 8000H value again loaded to accumulator. Okay, so I am doing this particular work. So here I am reading the data from the memory. Okay, if you wanted to cross check another location will be written or not, so I am writing the same data on 8001H location also and copying the same data to the accumulator. So I am writing this particular code. Just save as. Just save and execute this code. Okay, now here you can see 8000 also written by 2, 8001 also written by 2. Then for the last 8001H data will be the accumulator. So A loaded with the 02H value. So in this way you can read the data from memory and write the data on memory. Okay, thank you.